Here I have myPhone Go, and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, tap apps icon, find and select the settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose about phone. Right here. Afterwards, let's scroll down again and find build number. Let's tap a couple of times on build number, and as you can see, you are now a developer. So you can go back to previous list, and right here under printing you've got developer options. Let's tap it, and here you can, for example, allow the bootloader to be unlocked, so you can use OEM Unlocking, tap enable. You may also enable the USB Debugging, tap OK, and you can use other developer features, such as you can enable bug report shortcut, select debug app, you can verify apps over USB, and a lot more. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.